guys, welcome back to my channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Fallon and today I am doing a makeup tutorial. Normally I do my makeup exactly like this every single time I have to put makeup on, minus the lashes, but I felt spicy. I felt like I wanted to give you guys lashes, so I gave you guys lashes. If you guys want to see how I accomplish this makeup look, be sure to continue watching, like, comment, subscribe, give this video a thumbs up. I've already washed my face. After that I went ahead and moisturized with their Oh So Simple water cream hydrator. I used the Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Instant Retouch Primer, as well as their Soft Silk Pro Filter Hydrating Primer in conjunction with one another. Boom. Go ahead and put it on there. And I use a lot of primer because your base is really important. I have learned to focus on my base because I used to have like really bad acne. And in order for my makeup to be as flawless as possible, I need to make sure that I focus on my base. Go ahead and massage that in. And I like to mix the both of them because one is hydrating and one is like soft matte. LOL, I look like the moon emoji, but we love it here. So I'm gonna let that soak in for like 2 minutes maybe. I'm looking down because my mirror is down here. I use the Lancome Tint Idole Ultra Wear foundation, and I mix that with my Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Soft Matte Longwear foundation. I mix a lot of products. So for this, I'm in the shade, in the Tint Idole, I am in the shade 55 Suede C. And then in the Fenty, I am the shade 450. A pump and a half of each on the back of my hand. So I mix the two together. The Tint Idole gives me like this very matte, moisturized, I don't know what to talk about. They just look good together, okay? They don't match me individually, but together they are strong. So I go ahead and I use my Real Technique Expert face brush and I just dab it all over my face. Dab it. And then I just blend it out. So it's a mixture of patting and then stroking as well. It's just to cover it. Just keep brushing until it doesn't look wet anymore. Bueno. My favorite concealer is the LA Pro Concealer. I've been using this since high school in the color Chestnut. There we go. Oh my god, I can see why my nose looks crooked now. Sometimes my nose looks crooked and I see why now. Put some under my chin and on my top lip. I put some right there. Just like that. Here as well. Do it like that. Wait, no, this is what we're looking like. So then I go ahead and I start working on my brows. So I have spoolies, a whole bunch of them, because once upon a time I thought I was gonna be a lash tech, and then I realized I wasn't gonna be a lash tech. Brush, 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 brush. Excuse me. Show yourself. Okay, well, I'll just insert it here. I'm gonna just fill them in lightly. Kind of just pat it in there. I don't get my eyebrows done because I don't really have a lot of eyebrows, and I like to have some eyebrows, literally and figuratively. Boom. Your eyebrows are friends. They like each other, they get along, they look good together, they support one another. Just to blend something in with something else. Pow. Outline my brow. Ooh, I just do them. Honestly, like, I wish there was a method to this madness. But it's really just vibes. Just vibes, man. Flat brush. Maybe I should take some time and actually learn how to do my brows. And that's the brush. Okay. Thank you, sweetheart.
You're like a skeleton on Halloween.
Thank you very much. And blending under my eye. And it's the same with how I applied my foundation. It's a mixture of like patting and then swiping as well. Ooh, I love it. Beautiful. Okay. And I just swipe it on top of my lashes, my eyelid. And then for my nose, look, I just and then do that. And then the excess I put on my forehead because my forehead has like a natural highlight on there. A little natural. This is a new face. So as you can see, you can still see a light spot right here. And that's because I do not give a damn. I don't try to cover everything because honestly, who cares? But I like my light spots. It's the acne scars that are not my friend. So for my under eye powder, I like to mix my Airspun in the color Translucent Extra Coverage with my Laura Mercier medium deep bueno of that translucent. Sometimes I look ashy, sometimes I look like a sane human being. Let's hope today is one of the latter days. And this is the color it comes out to. Yeah, there. A little tabby tap. And then just press it in to the corner of my nose. On Thanksgiving Eve, I tried to do my makeup just before I went to this party with Molly, and I looked psychotic. And then while that is baking, while that is marinating, that to the side, let it vibe out on the side or whatever, you feel me? Then I go ahead and I take my Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette in the color medium to dark. Just do my face. Today I'm feeling spicy. I'm feeling muy caliente. So this one is very chocolatey. It's very deep. So gonna stretch that arm out. Gonna get a very light and delicate tap tap. That's enough. I made the mistake of using a heavy hand with this one time, and let's say I was chiseled. Then I use my powder brush from Real Techniques, and I go in with my MAC Mineralized Skin Finish in the color Dark Deepest 886, and I swirl up in that bad boy, and I just brush it all the way and blend everything in. Oh, my camera died. Boom. Contouring part 2. So I have my blush brush again. I'm going in, I probably already did that, but if I didn't, boom, with the medium deep and the Black Radiance True Complexion Contour Palette again, and I'm gonna just go over it, and then just a little boom. So now, using the exact same brush that I just used with all of that contour residue, I'm gonna go ahead into my Baked blush in Brick House. Also do it like under my eyes too. And I like to put blush on my nose. How cute. So I'm gonna use the highlight that comes in the palette with my highlighting brush from Real Techniques, and I just generously dab that in there, and I just swipe that on top of my nose. Bueno. And then I do that. Oh, that's kind of weird. I don't know why I did that. Huh? Just swipe it across my lid, and then I swipe it across the other lid. Yo, I'm actually gutted. I don't have my eyeliner broken up about it. Oh my god. Okay. So I have my Dior Show liner. It's not black, it's navy blue. That's just gonna have to do for today. Bueno. Use a liquid liner that I got from the beauty supply store. It's from Kiss. And start at the outer corner of my eye and just draw a tiny little line, just like that. And then I'm gonna draw a tiny little line back across my eye. And I'm not gonna move a lot because it's a bit wet as fuck. It's wet. It's wet. They look good. And they don't look bad next to each other. My Fenty Beauty mascara that I got in a trial size from Sephora. And I just blink into it. I don't really know. Because I feel like that's the best way to get a nice thick coat. It's just vibes, honestly, man. That's it. This one, this is what I use. Don't be like me. Let's stick it to the man, and by the man I mean my eyelid. I'm gonna use some nice little thin lashes. I don't know which ones yet. Okay, so I don't know where these lashes are from. I model, so I get a whole bunch of like different lashes from photo shoots. Same thing, and I'm going to gently place this on there. Can you see me? Okay, cool. It doesn't mean that. It does not seem like a day that I should be putting lashes on my face. I have boogers in my nose. That's gross. I think it's been a while since I put lashes on. So now we're just gonna put the second one on and call it a day. Center very aggressively. I feel like these are on as best as I'm going to attempt to put them on for today. Then I'm gonna go ahead and get my 99-cent little pencil from the beauty supply store for my lips. I like to keep it very simple. What I like to do is lick them, then wipe them, and then I use my brown liner under. I got above. I just want to cross the lip. That's it. And then I'm gonna use my Lancome Juicy Tubes. I like sparkly, shiny lip gloss. I'm gonna go ahead and put some of that on. And then I'm gonna top that off with my Fenty. I have two fussies. They're both fussy. That is so funny. Hashtag shop Fenty Beauty. We stan Rihanna, okay? And at this stage of my makeup, if I feel satisfied with how I look, then I just let it go. But the way to tell is for me to take off my headscarf and see what I look like. I want to add a little pizzazz. So what I do is I go back and I take that same brow gel liner pen that I used to do my brows, and then I dip it into a dried out mascara, and this is how I'm gonna add freckles. Boom. And then I'm gonna add one under my lip, Boom. And I think I want one right here. And right here. And right here. And right here too. And right here. And just like that, we have completed our maquillage. That's it. That's it. This is a look. Fine girl like that. I'm so happy because I was so nervous that this was gonna look crazy, especially with these lashes. These lashes scared me, but thank you guys so much for tuning in. Like, let me know if this is something you like to see. You know, I'm not a professional. I just get down with how I get down, you know. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Let me know if you like this video, if you want me to do other videos like this, or any like tips or pointers or like, you know, feedback. I'm down to hear it. And yeah, just like, comment, subscribe. I'll catch you guys on the flip. Stay blessed, stay easy. Mwah, mwah.